Shenzhou, a county-level city located in the northwest of Hebei City, Hebei Province, inherits a profound foundation of agricultural civilization, while pulsating with the developmental rhythm of modern industry. Now, with the advancement of the dual carbon strategy, green and low carbon have become the new direction for its development exploration. Hebei Ruifeng Technology Company Limited, located in Shenzhou City, is a technology enterprise focused on R&D, production, and manufacturing of power cylinders, hydraulic machinery, and engineering machinery components. It is now embracing PV for its low-carbon development. Ruifeng Technology's 20.39MW PV power generation project is built on factory rooftops. It adopts the self-consumption with excess power fed into the grid model, with an annual power generation of approximately 23 million kilowatt-hour. This not only significantly reduces the company's electricity costs and revitalizes idle assets to create additional income, but also meets carbon reduction and emission reduction requirements, helping the enterprise become a regional zero-carbon pioneer.
作为纯投资性质的工商业光伏项目，我们首先考虑的就是项目收益性。但是在后面选择合作品牌方的时候，我们加入了真诚这一重要因素。因为以我们多年的合作经验来看，产品虽然说很重要，但是人与人之间的真诚、务实更为重要。我们最怕碰到的合作品牌方对我们冷响应、慢处理，所以对于我们来说，在相同的条件下，态度比能力更为重要，而真诚就是态度的体现。这个项目最终选用和旺逆变器，就是我们对其态度和产品认可的一种表现。第一次跟和旺接触，双方并没有留下很深的印象，但在之后的洽谈和合作中，无论是售前、售中还是售后，和旺的每个伙伴都很踏实、积极、友好，能够站在客户的角度去思考问题，注重细节，尽自己的最大努力，保证项目和客户方的利益。和旺的逆变器产品在同级中也是表现相当出色的。截止到目前来说，我们大约有100兆瓦左右的光伏项目选用和旺逆变器，产品覆盖20至350千瓦功率段，在发电、安全、运维等方面都有十分强劲的产品表现力。
While light illuminates the path, the new energy enlightens creativity. Every kilowatt hour of green electricity illuminates not only factories and production lines, but also an enterprise's response to the era. Green manufacturing, zero carbon pioneer. Hopewind is willing to use technology and sincerity to create a blue sky with you.